Do it on the ceiling.
Yeah, put it on the ceiling, Megan.
Then jump for it.
Get it!
Get it. Go, Tank, go!
Get it, Tank!
Roxy, come here.
God, what a dumbass.
You're not a cat,
Roxy's
Tank.
trying to hurt the
You're not
animal.
a cat.
Roxy thinks that he's a cow, and so she's hurting the cow.
He's not fat! Rick is always calling Tank fat. He's
Tell
not
your
fat!
mom that
He's not fat. Oh my god.
I'm sorry my dog is healthy. Your dog's a whore.
Jesus.
Megan's just standing right in the middle of it. Like, what the fuck?
Put it like up the wall.
No, not the China.
Not the china cabinet. Up the
Oh
door.
my god.
You go chill.
That was mad funny.
Get it.
Did I?
Get it, Tank! Get it, Tank!
I hear you like this kind of thing.
Get it, Tank! Get it! Get it, Tank!
Put it on Rick's private
Yeah, put
part.
it on Rick's dick. It's so secretive.
Get it, Tank.
Get it, Tank!
Get it.
Get it, Tank!
So,
Go!
You won't get it unless it's on the floor.
Tank, you're a dumbass.
I love him.
Hey, T.
Get it, Tank!
How many times are gonna